Hello guys, and welcome back. So now that we have sent our video message, now in this section we have to add some new features to our chat screen before we move on to the group screen, because I realize there's a lot that we need to do in here before we move on. All right, so this is January 2024, January 20th. Okay, so we can't have a chat app without reactions and emojis and typing listener, all those modern features. Okay, we need to have those features in our chat. So in this section we are going to put our emojis in our chat app. We're also going to put our reactions. When user long places on the widget, they can see the reactions button, then they react, and then we can show those reactions here. And then we're also going to put the typing listener here. If the person you are talking to is typing, like in this case this one is typing, we should see here that he's typing. Okay, so if we can also have another icon here to bring up our emoji, and so that we can put our emojis in our messages. Okay, so that's all about what we are going to do. We need to put these advanced features in our application. So this was just an introduction and just to say what we are going to do. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.